Hey everyone, so the big question, how will my manifestation come? This is the biggest question that everybody asks. So they want what they want, and then the biggest question next is, but how? And I'm here to tell you is, you're not meant to know the how. What you want can come in so many different ways that your human part of you could not even fathom how it could come. There's so many different ways that manifestations can come into your life. Your job is just to know what you want, right? What you want and why you want it. And then the how is what the universe does. That's the universe's job. This is where the part of letting go comes in with manifestation. It's actually, about you learning to let go of control, right? This is a huge thing, to let go of control. So your job is just to know what you want and to focus there and keep your focus on that and keep telling your subconscious mind, this is what I want, right? And then it'll be created for you. You will be guided. Someone might give you something. You might have an insight to go somewhere where your manifestation is. And a lot of the times manifestations come through people as well. So you might, actually, I'll give an example. I was working with VCAL students with personal development and we did vision boards. And I have actually done a video about this, but if you haven't heard that, I'll just tell you this quick little story. And he wanted to manifest a keyboard, right? So he put it on his vision board, and then his mum was out the front one day talking to his neighbour, and he came out the front and said hi. The neighbour said hi, and then the neighbour said, I've got a keyboard brand new keyboard, never been used, in the garage. Do you want it? I mean, how would he know? So he wants a keyboard. How would he know that his neighbour's got one in her garage that she's going to give away? Keyboards aren't cheap either, And so all he did was put out what he wanted. And that's the same with you. But because we're human and we like to control everything, the letting go part is really hard for us, but it is a huge part of the process. You are not meant to know the how. That's the magical part. If you knew everything, every step of the way, it'd be boring. It wouldn't be a challenge. It wouldn't be exciting. It wouldn't be the highs and the lows and the ups and the downs and the arounds, the bends and the corners and the whatever, right? That's the journey. That's the exciting part of it. And so, when we want something, it actually helps us to grow and move towards that thing that we want, okay? So the how is not your job. Let me know in the comments if you've been stuck in the how. I want to know. And does this help you? Let me know. And let me know if you have any questions as well, because I can also reply to them, but I can also do videos. I love the questions because then I can answer them for you on these videos. So don't get stuck in the how. Just get stuck in the what and the why, not the when and the how, okay? I've also done a video on the when. So I can link that video maybe, or you can just find it on my channel. So let me know if this helps. You're not responsible for the how. Just keep focusing on what you want, and then things will rearrange. Universe will rearrange everything. Things will happen. Things will come in. Remember the keyboard story. No idea that it's going to be the neighbour that's going to bring in the keyboard, and he didn't even have to spend a cent. And that's the beauty of it. Sometimes you don't even spend a cent. You might want to buy a home and own a home outright, for example. And you might meet an elderly couple that have no family, and they meet you and they just go, you know what? We just really love you. We think you're amazing. We're going to leave our house to you in our will, or here, have this house. We're moving into a retirement village, and they could be really wealthy. There's many, many, many ways things can come in, and it's about you being open to that. Open to the how. Just release any controlling, needy, gripping, all of that kind of thing, and relax and let go of control. That's the biggest thing. Alrighty, so make sure you like this video. so I know that you're liking it. Subscribe and hit the bell notification because then you're notified of the videos I do and the readings that I do, because I do readings on the channel as well. And you don't want to miss out on any of it. It's all amazing information. And so there you go. Alrighty, I'll chat to you all soon. Bye.